I am making a video. It's a pistol video. Me and my friend lap14325 are doing pistols together. I was just about to make the video, but I had to remake it. But here we go. See what happens. Me and him. Pistol 1v1. Dogs. See what you got. Alright. No, I told you I was taking things up. And oh, poor thing. Then I'm officially a winner. He's asleep. That's for you, your painting of you. Yeah, you know I'm up here. Come on. Got a gun. Come on, I'm gonna camp and wait on you. Ooh, except for that. I forgot you had those. Oh, no. You cannot win this. It's about over. You cannot win this. I'm sorry. No, you can't. No, you can't. Why? Because of that? Are you scared? I'm using your own pistol and I killed you. Who's in the lead? Thank you guys for watching this video so much. I won 5-2. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out other channels too, like Jedi Jackson 1, True Blue. I don't really know him, but see, I won. Thank you for watching. Bye.